Again, sweep back, come out in underhand on the right. And do you remember the underhand weave here? 2 circles underhand like this. Just underhand circles. Now go split time. Go same time. And now go split time. And then same, then split time, split time, split time, split time, same, split time, split time, split time, split, same, split time, split time, split time, split, and same, same. Now split, split. Yeah, good. And same. Yeah, okay. Now we're going to sweep up all the way over the top and sweep back again. Now this time we're going to sweep up, and instead of turning the full 180 degrees to come out and overhand on the left, turn only 90 degrees and come into your counterclockwise pinwheel. And then we're going to come down and overhand on the left. And then open it up to circles. We're going to do that again. Sweep back, your underhand on the right. Let's do our drill for timing. Split time, 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 split time. Now same. Another 8 and split time, 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 split time. Now same for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we're going to come all the way over the top to overhand on the left, back into overhand weave. Open it up again. Sweep back to underhand. And now come up into the pinwheel, into split time pinwheel. And then go into together time if you can do it. Same. And then we're going to come down on the left. Go back to the split time first. Come down on the left into the overhand weave again. Now we're going to open it up into circles. Make it same time circles. Okay, now what we're going to do is stall the left hand. And then bring the left hand up in underhand while the right hand is overhand. So the right hand stays in overhand. So you're right here like this. Both poi are overhand. Talk to your hands. Right hand, stay spinning. Left hand, stop. Right hand, stay spinning. Left hand, stop. And then bring your left hand up, bowl with your left hand while the right hand is spinning. Now, you're going to keep the poi on the plane they're on. Turn your body to face the front, and then bring your left poi into the overhand butterfly facing me. So you'll be doing overhand butterfly facing me. Taking your left hand back and bringing it to the front. Bring it back, bring 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 it to the front.